What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan, and in today's video I am revealing the 2-phone Uber trick. So if you drive for Uber, you want to make sure that you are using this 2-phone Uber trick, because this could potentially double your earnings, sometimes even triple your earnings. You want to use a 3-phone Uber trick? I got that one for you too, okay? Today's video we're doing the 2-phone Uber trick, so thumbs up the video. Big shout out to our sponsor T-Mobile, Play Octopus. They are a company, they're providing a completely free, no charge tablet that you can use and make money with during your Uber rides and Lyft rides. So check out my link below for that, start earning some extra income. And now, guys, we got tons of different ways to make money, okay? Go to the link that's in the description, sign up for every single, I'm just kidding. All right guys, so I'm gonna get started and show you the 2-phone Uber trick right now. Sorry, I'm literally living in a, well, I'm not living in here, but my office, guys, office tour. This is a spare bedroom in my house. I just got foam padding for echo. This room gets so freaking hot, so I got this AC unit, blankets. I don't sleep in here, okay? But let's get started, my friends, and let me show you. Look at the 2-phone Uber trick right now, my friends. This is kind of a cool POV here. Okay, so first what you want to do, you want to open up your Uber driver app. I don't want to show you my location, so let's just do that. Uber. Oh, so I see my location there? Uh-oh. So obviously when you go into your Uber driver app, you want to make sure you go into opportunities, you know, you're scrolling in here, but the real 2-phone Uber trick right here, guys, is you want to open up your Uber normal app. Okay, again, I don't want to show you my location, but Uber normal app. And look at this, my friends. Once you log in, oh yeah, I got a bunch of addresses on here, but let's just say we are going, I gotta do a location. Let's just say I'm going to Santa Monica. I'll show you guys in a second, okay? Don't worry. Los Angeles to San Diego, okay? Or let's just say this. You're going to, let's say you're driving at the Santa Monica Pier in Los Angeles. So what you want to do right here, guys, is go into here, type in Santa Monica Pier, and then, oh yeah, it just showed another address. Type in the West Hollywood right here, guys. Go into, check this out right here where you are. It's 22 bucks. This is what you know the rider will make. And what you want to do here, guys, zoom in right here. Obviously, there's a very crowded area, but you can see where all the other drivers are. So, that being said, you don't want to be over here, because it's gonna take you, you know, you're competing with 5 cars to get a ride. Instead, what you wanna do is go down, literally, this is a 30-second to a minute drive down here, and you're gonna start getting a lot more rides. And you can even deny a ride or two until you get a big $100 ride or whatever. Over here, you're gonna be getting $5, $10 rides, because all those other drivers, you know, you're competing. So, anyways, my friends, that's the 2-phone Uber trick. Let me know how much more money you start making when you start using it. My name's Dylan. Thanks for watching. Again, check out our link below for Play Octopus to start earning some more money. Get a free tablet for your car. You guys are awesome. Bye now.